Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Z, aka Sticky Rice. Welcome back to my channel. First and foremost, I'd just like to put a disclaimer out there. This is not a professional advice. I'm just here to share my experience with you guys on trading cryptocurrency through ByBit, which is the leverage program, right, as you could see. Yeah, now that's out of the way, let's get back to trading. Okay, yeah, quick update, man. I haven't been trading a lot. I've been on and off with my trading. I've been kind of traveling a little bit, not really that much, but yeah, travel here and there. So I haven't been focused. If you guys could remember on the first episode, I had like I take that back, $600 on my account right here, and I grew that to like 3,000 something dollars, like 34, 35. I don't remember exactly what it was. But yesterday, let me show you guys. I took my biggest loss yet. It was like almost $1,000 in one trade. Kind of hurt. So yeah, as you can see here, $958. I took a loss. That includes the fees and everything. And these are my previous trades right here. Let me just show you guys real quick from $600, and I grew it all. Yeah, not consistent at all. Up 300, I give back 200. Up 300, give back 100. That kind of nonsense, But if you guys can remember, at the beginning I was doing the scalping strategy. It didn't work out for me at all. It was a little too stressful for me because I'm not really how do you say it? I don't know, an experienced trader. I'm a newbie compared to others for sure. Just here trying to share this so maybe it will help somebody else like you guys. If it works out for me, I hope it'll work out for you if I share this video and you guys could see things that works for me. But for this video, I'll just go over mistakes that I made, man. Like, biggest one is like sitting here putting an order in, right? Like, let's say I put an order in right now, put a limit order in, fill all that out. And then once I put my order in, even though I reviewed my charts already on TradingView, I would just sit here and not believe in myself. So it messes with your mind just sitting here watching your P&L go up and down. Okay? Because you just sit here, you watch it right here, it'll go up. Like once it goes up, you get, for me personally, I get greedy. Like I think I get greedy. And I'm just like, oh, it probably will go up way more. So I just sit here. And technically what I'm saying, what's happening is I'm not staying with my strategy at all. Like I thought I could, but if you just sit here and watch, you won't be able to. I think you won't be able to. I personally can't because I'm just watching here. I see my money going up and down. And when it goes down, the moment it goes red, your mind just initially tells you to close your position out because I don't know, that's just what happens to me. I don't know why. It's just the psychology of trading, I suppose. It's not good for me to just sit here once I put my order in. And what's worked for me in the past couple trades, like the few trades that I took, was when I like put an order in. Before I put an order in, I would review my chart first, how I read it, and if my setup was right, I would put it in. I would put my order in, and I would close out everything. Before I do, let's go back real quick. Before I do, make sure when you open a position that you have a target profit and a stop loss set and in place. Okay, once your order's filled, don't leave right away. Make sure you have the target profit and the stop loss set, and then from there you could close it out and then believe in your chart readings. Believe that you did the proper what's the word for this, man? I don't even know. Anyways, but just believe yourself that you did the proper due diligence, if that's the word that I'm looking for. Probably not. Anyways, once you do that, you could just close it out, move on, and wait for this trade to finish. Yeah, it's either you win or you lose, man. But hopefully you did it right, and then you read it right here. So anyways, that's a quick update. Right now, currently we're at $2,093. And if you can remember in the first video, I said if you start with like $1,000 to $2 right here, $1,000 to $2,000, and you'd put, like, this was my initial strategy right here. I would put 2% as my take profit, and my stop loss would have been 2% as well. If only I would have stuck here, I would not have taken loss the way I read my charts, because like if I look, like looking back at it, a lot of the trades I took, it would go up, like I would get close to my stop loss, but then it would go to my target profit. But like since I was watching it live, I was watching the unrealized PL go up and down right here, and it was messing with my mind. So understand that when you put a trade in and you watch it, it will affect you mentally, guaranteed, 100%. At least for me, as a new trader, and I'm sure if you're watching this, you're starting as a new trader as well. So take it from me, from my mistake, that don't watch your live trade, and just believe in yourself that you did your due diligence, and then walk away, close out the computer once you put everything in and set. Okay. Anyways, we're at $2,000. Like I said, I don't know why I keep coming. I keep saying that. Keep going back at it. But we're gonna have a target. We're gonna do 5 trades from now. Today, September 9, right here. And we are currently at $2,093. Well, let's say we take optimal trades, right? We're at 2%. Take profit, 2% stop loss. That's the strategy that I'm gonna use, along with the MACD and the resistance and support levels is what I'm gonna be trading. Yeah, with $2,093, we're gonna take 5 trades with a leverage of 20 times, and we have the ByBit new fees. So look at this, guys. Before, I want you guys to understand this. When you guys put an order in, and you put it as a limit order right here, if you go to ByBit, and if you put a limit order, it's right here, limit and market. Okay, if you guys don't understand this, I'll just go over it briefly. Limit, you put a limit order in, you put the exact price that you want to get your order filled at exactly. Okay, let's say I want to get, I'll put an order in at 21,327, right? And I'll put all of it in. Let's say I'm expecting it to go down. I don't know. It's just shits and giggles. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, I'll put it in 40%. 2% is 40%. You change this right here to percent, okay? For your target profit and stop loss. You put 40% here, because 40 divided by 20 leverage equals 2. So that's 2%. When it moves 2%, you'll hit your target. The same with your stop loss right here. We'll put it at 40. It'll tell you right here how much you're expected to lose and how much you're expected to make and stuff. Okay. Yeah. Anyways, we're gonna back here. Limit order. Like I said, limit order is at 0.01% fee. When you put a limit order in, let's say I put it in, it gets filled. That's 0.01% that I'm going to pay in fees, only for buying into it, not from closing out. And once it closes out and it hits just a reminder as well, when you put an order in and it gets filled, your stop loss and your target profits are market orders. You could change them to limit orders. I wouldn't change the stop loss to limit order. I want that at market, because quick here, let's cover market really quick so it will make sense. Market order you'll get filled at the next best price at your order once it gets close. Let's say you have a stop loss at 21,300. Once it hits 21,300, or you'll get filled right away. Whatever the bid and ask is currently that hasn't been filled, your order will go to that one and you'll get filled right away. Compared to limit order, it'll wait till it hits your certain price, right? So when we put this right here, when you get filled with the limit order, like I said, your stop loss and target profit will be market ordered. I would only change the target profit to limit order if you want to pay less fees on your trade, because just you can see here, currently it's at 0.06% market fee compared to 0.01 on a limit order. Okay, that's one thing to do. Anyways, we'll run this strategy, and then yeah, right here it'll say after 5 trades, if I reinvest everything I make, I should be at $7,340 plus, not including my 2093 right here. So after 5 trades, I should have 9,400 in my account right here. It should say 9,400 after 5 trades. Today is what, September 9th, like I said, September 9th. And but it's Thursday today, and I'm expecting the market to kind of slow down and towards the weekend. That's what usually happens. So since I hit 5 trades, or hopefully 5 winning trades, but if not, as soon as I hit this target right here for you guys, I will update you guys, and I will cover what worked for me and what did not work for me, like I did on this first one. Kind of covered what didn't work for me. Hopefully it made a little sense to you guys, kind of helped you guys avoid things that I did that didn't work for me. Maybe in the next one, if it works for me, you guys could take something out of it. But yeah, if you guys like that, man, just hit that follow button or whatever it is on YouTube. Subscribe, like, and share. Comments if you have any questions. I'll try to cover it. So yeah, man. Thanks again. I'll see you guys in the next one, and we'll go from there. Ciao.